Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 24th of September and we're here for nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB for all these amazing children who've worked so hard this week. But you'll also see by all of the comments from the teachers that not only have they been amazing this week, they've been amazing all 3 weeks that we've been back. So absolutely brilliant. So well done all of you who win Golden Ticket today. So let's start off this morning with nursery and here we go. This child is a great listener, has been super when staying for lunch and enjoys being helpful. Brilliant. And for nursery, that is amazing. That's exactly what we want. This child has been playing nicely with other children, is always busy, and she has done lots of amazing reading at home. She certainly has, and I've seen her reading record as well. Golden tickets go to Charlie and Grace. Look at that. Well done, Charlie, even coming in his first week with a broken arm. Look at him, look. I didn't keep him away. Really well deserved, Charlie. You superstar. Brilliant. And Grace, what amazing reading. Reading so many times. So huge congratulations to both of you. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. And everyone else is going to give you a massive cheer and a huge round of applause. Well done, both of you, superstars. Great start. Well done. Moving on. Let's have a look. So look, Miss McTavish says, our golden ticket winner persevered all week and was brave using the minibus to go and see Dippy. And we've all been to see Dippy. It was a fantastic trip. But this boy did amazing there as well. Golden ticket goes to Jack. There he is. Look at Jack. Look, in the minibus. Look. He's going to be stealing Mr. Rudd's job soon. So really well done, Jack. Huge congratulations. Fantastic on it and well done persevering throughout this week. You superstar. I'm so proud of you. I know everyone will be giving you a cheering class now. So well done. Moving on. Miss Ruffle says, this child has settled into reception beautifully and is working incredibly hard. Amazing. He joins in with every phonics lesson and has been practicing his sounds and blending at home too, which is really important. You want all the reception children getting their sounds, taking them home and keep practicing them every single day, so keep it up. Golden ticket goes to none other than Archie. There he is. Well done. Look at that. Well done, Archie. Massive smile on you, so you should be. I know Mum and Dad will be really proud of you, and everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer in class now, so well done and really well deserved. Enjoy taking this home at the end of the day today. Well done, Archie. Moving on. Here we go. Look, Miss Marshall says, this week's winner has made me feel so proud. Amazing. They have been trying hard to join in with class activities and have been a great friend. And that's what we want. We want great friends all the time, just being kind, looking out for everyone and being helpful all the time. So really well done to Lily. Look at Lily. Well done, Lily. Super work, hon. And she's earned so many merits this week, even from Mr. Allen, for all her phonics work. I've seen her every single day earning merits. So really well done, Lily. You superstar. Enjoy taking this home with you. And I know your brother and sister will be really proud of you. So well done, superstar. Moving on. Here we go. Mr. Ackerman says, this child has had a fantastic start to year 1. They enter the classroom every day with a smile and they have a positive attitude towards everything they do. This child is hardworking, gives everything their best shot. This child is a very kind member of the class and is always willing to help and support others. A brilliant role model. We couldn't wish for any more. I know Mr. Ackerman is really pleased to have this girl in his class. It is. Here she is. Come on, Amelia Rose Sharp. Look at her. Look. Huge smile on her face, so she should be well done. And everyone's going to give you a massive cheer. So thank you for being so helpful, so kind as well. Keep it up and enjoy taking this home today. I know Daddy will be really proud of you. So well done. Moving on, here we go. Look at year 2s. Here we go. Look, Miss Begum says, it is noticeable how hard this child has been working since starting year 2. That's what I said at the beginning of assembly. Right the way through these 3 weeks. Amazing. They're helpful, respectful towards others and always making the right choices. A brilliant role model to the class and to the school, the rest of the school. Huge congratulations to Noah. Look at him. Well done, Noah. You absolute superstar. You are a model pupil. Really well deserved. Huge smile on your face there. So really well done. And congratulations. I know everyone's going to be giving you a cheer now. So really well done. Proud of you. Moving on. Miss Hall says, our golden ticket this week goes to someone who's been working so hard at school. She's always helpful, kind and polite. She has a fantastic attitude and is a role model for year 2. There it comes again, that role model. Absolutely brilliant. And that's what we want from our year 2s. Okay? Absolutely being really positive role models that others can copy. So well done. Golden ticket goes to none other than Lola May. There she is. Look at her. Look. Well, you can see that. Look at her reading. Look at her doing her maths. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant partner work as well there, Teddy. Really well done, Lily. I am so, so proud of you. Huge congratulations. I know that everyone will be giving you a massive cheer now in class as well. So well done. Enjoy taking this home at the end of the day. Superstar. Moving on. Finally, we've got the SRB. Look. Oh, look at this. The winner this week has been working hard, getting better at everything. They've even tried hard when they find things difficult. Everyone wants to play and work with them, and they are such a great friend. They've also been reading much more at home, which is fantastic. Golden ticket goes to Lacey. Here she is. Well done, Lacey. Look at her. Look, big smiling face. Good thinking there. Really well done. Great working together. You absolute superstar. Well deserved. I know your sister's going to be proud of you, and everyone in the SRB, I know we're giving you a massive cheer now. So really well done, you superstar. Enjoy taking that home today, you superstar. Finally, look, well done everyone. Fantastic. Well done everyone who's earned themselves a golden ticket today. If it wasn't you, keep copying these children. You've heard it all the way through. They are perfect role models. So watch them, copy them. Who knows, it could be you next week winning the golden ticket. Finally, this weekend, a few things to do. Look, fly a kite. Let's see if it's going to be a little windy at the weekend, so let's get out and fly a kite. Why not? See if we can dust down, find a kite somewhere, and let's go and fly a kite, please, guys. Look, tell some jokes. It's always good to tell some jokes. Have a bit of a laugh. It'd be lovely to hear some of those on Monday when we're back in on school. So let's tell some jokes this weekend. Let's come in with some really good ones, please. And I know I can rely on some of you to tell me some really good jokes. And finally here, hug your parents. Come on, it's hugging time. Let's remind our parents how much we love them, how much we appreciate them. Let's give them a big hug as well. Let's really do lots of hugging this weekend. Get out flying kites and tell some jokes. Have a great weekend, everyone. Please continue to stay safe. And until next week, bye-bye now.